Good morning guys. So today, very special day. It's June 4, 2024. So it's very special day to me. So I'm going to record it. So this is going to be my first time to be invited in a ceremonial groundbreaking in our first residential condo in Bulacan. So first time to guys. So coffee, then bihis na tayo guys. Let's go. Boom! All set na tayo guys. Kulang na lang tayo ng accessories. So let's go. Biyahe na tayo guys. Tara. And in less than 1 hour guys from BGC, nandito na tayo sa actual site natin sa 9 Central Park. Boom! Ceremonial groundbreaking na tayo. So bago ang lahat guys, picture muna tayo. Sobrang gandang experience na ma-invite tayo dito guys sa ceremonial groundbreaking ng kauna-unahang condo natin dito sa Bulacan. And hindi lang yun guys, kasabay din natin ang ceremonial groundbreaking ng first commercial building ni Megaworld dito sa township natin sa Bulacan. Sobrang promising talaga ng location na to and yung pinaka-township mismo, which is 85 hectare na township, mixed-use development, 70% commercial, and only 30% lang ang residential. And only 5 minutes away lang tayo guys sa Philippine Arena. And of course guys, marami pa tayong future development na itatayo dito sa mismong township. So guys, that's it. So, eto na, 85 hectare township ni Megaworld dito sa Bulacan. So, groundbreaking na and binuksan na natin yung, nag-groundbreaking ceremony na tayo sa 9 Central Park. So, kung interesado kayo doon guys, let me know lang. Nag-o-offer kami ng no down payment, 0% interest. So, message nyo lang ako guys. Bye!